Greetings everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Buki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the link of the channel to some students, the family member or friend that this channel is going to be of help. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board on combination. The question says evaluate n squared plus 1 combination what n plus 5 if our n is equals to what 3. All we need to do is we are going to substitute n as 3 into this. So let's see. That will give us 3 squared plus 1. So we have combination what? 3 plus 5 since n is 3. So I have 3 plus 5. So this will give us 3 squared. We know it's 3 times 3. Alright, plus 1. Okay. Combination 3 plus 5 is what? 8. So all know that 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. Okay. Combination what? 8. So our 9 plus 1 is going to give us 10. Okay. Combination what? 8. So all we need to do to get the solution to this problem, we have to solve this. And we have to remember if we have n combination r, which is our formula for combination, it means n, this is called factorial, divide or subtract these two, so n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. So from what we've done here, we can see that this is our n and this is our r. So n is equals to what? 10, r is equals to what? 8. We are going to input it here. So let's input it and see what we are going to get. So our 10 combination 8 is going to be, so I have 10 factorial divide. We are going to subtract this, so I have 10 minus what? 8 factorial. We bring 8 again, so we have 8 what? Factorial. Alright. So we can now simplify that further. Let's simplify that further. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is our 10 combination 8 is going to be, I'm going to expand the 10 factorial, but I'll stop at the 8 factorial. So I'm going to say 10 times 10 minus 1 is what? 9 times 9 minus 1 is 8. So since we've been able to reach 8, we can stop at 8 factorial, divide by, so that this can cancel out. Alright, 10 minus 8 we know is 2, so we have 2 factorial times what? Our 8 factorial. Now with this can cancel out. This we have is 1, 1. So we are left with what? 10 times what? 9 divided by 2 factorial times 1 is still 2 what? Factorial. Alright. So we can now solve this further. Let's see what we are going to get. 10 combination 8 is going to give us, so we have 10 times what? 9 divided 2 factorial simply means 2 times what? 1. Now something can be reduced. Okay, so 2 can go into this is 1, 2 can go into 10 is 5. So we are left with what? 5 times what? 9. Okay, so our 10 combination 8 is going to be 5 times 9, which is going to give us what? 45. So 45 gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to somebody that this video may be of help to. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.